Hello, girls. How are you? I'm Miss Trini from Kinder A, and today I brought some new vocabulary words related to this unit, my community. These words are community helpers. Community helpers are people who have studied a career and do a job in the community. For example, Miss Trini is a teacher. So now I am going to present these words so then you can choose what you want to be when you grow up, okay? Now I am going to say the word once and then I am going to count up to 3 like this. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to say the word with me. Okay, let's go. Teacher. 1, 2, 3. Teacher. Mailman. 1, 2, 3. Mailman. Doctor. 1, 2, 3. Doctor. Nurse. 1, 2, 3. Nurse. Driver. 1, 2, 3. Driver. Cashier. 1, 2, 3. Cashier. Policeman. 1, 2, 3. Policeman. Dentist. 1, 2, 3. Dentist. Waiter. 1, 2, 3. Waiter. Zookeeper. 1, 2, 3. Zookeeper. Plumber. 1, 2, 3. Plumber. Coach. 1, 2, 3. Coach. Fireman. 1, 2, 3. Fireman. Soldier. 1, 2, 3. Soldier. Farmer. 1, 2, 3. Farmer. Lifeguard. 1, 2, 3. Lifeguard. Builder. 1, 2, 3. Builder. Okay, girls, so those were the words. There are so many community helpers in the community. You can choose among them what you want to be when you grow up. This week, we're going to play Looking for Wally. Remember, girls, when playing Looking for Wally, saying the whole phrase, Wally is behind the policeman, or Wally is behind the teacher. Okay, so say the phrase, Wally is behind the, and the vocabulary word. Okay, have fun. Bye bye. A big kiss for everybody.